Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Electrolux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chashniak Shimash. Good day, y'all. So we are joined by another Electrolux. Now the reason why I'm doing these is because I have a number of these machines that are kind of like in my collection, if you know what I mean. And I got them early on when I started the collecting and refurbing, and I didn't really know much about them. So I've given them kind of like a superficial kind of like cleanup, but I didn't really know how to take the motors out and really give them a good clean. And now I got the polishing equipment that I can really give this a good polish and make it shine really good. I did have a go at this. This is the Electrolux Super Suction 502S, and this is the Z502S. 900-4440, serial number 324, 240 volts, 500 watts, made in the UK. And there we have its original sticker on there saying made in Britain. That is still on there, so that'll be preserved. I'm going to try and put some clear tape over this so I can preserve it and not damage it anymore, because it's nice to have. There are some marks and scratches on there for which I will be getting rid of, but in general it's in really good condition. This is still connected, that still works. I've cleaned out a lot of it. Like I said, it does need a polish. I want to take the motor out and take a look at that, but it sounds really good and the whistle works. So if I just unplug it, doesn't have the original cord. I'm not sure about the suppressor. I think the suppressor is on the back of these, in the back handle. I may have removed it, I'm not sure. We'll take a look at some point during the video. So if I switch it on, it still sounds really good. Now the only niggle that I have with these machines is no height adjustment, which is a real shame, because it has wheels on here, but you can't adjust the height. So when I was having a quick go of it upstairs before I brought it down, I noticed that it was kind of like skimming on the lower carpets and then a bit too thick for the thicker carpets. But I haven't tried it on the shag rug yet, so we'll try that. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber for one intro. Let's get you guys closer, get you above, and crack on with refurbing it. Here you go, my little whippersnappers. This is the Electrolux 502S. Cleaned, polished, motor out, washed all the inside of it, and put it all back together. Now it's working really, really well. There's actually quite good suction on it. This works. I have added a little bit of silver trim to it when I first had it, and I had it on display in the Hoover room, and when people have come to visit, they're like, oh wow, I didn't know it had that. And I said, no, I put it on. And a couple of people have said, I really like that. It really finishes it off. So it really does. I really do like this little bit of silvery plasticky trim. I have it on my car, so I know that it lasts a while. It lasts, well, it lasts for a long time, still on. Right, so set that to number 4. But yeah, it's looking really, really good. I mean, it was good to start off with, but putting that lovely shine on it, managing to retain the sticker, nice modern bag in there, lovely little air freshener, and it works really well. I had a quick go of it along here, and I'm really impressed. It's really nice. So this is one that I can't wait to get demonstrated for you guys, because I really, really like it. I love the color of it, and now it just looks like it's come out of the box. It's really good. So there we go. These are really good machines if you're starting off collecting or wanting to do refurbs and stuff. If you've got one which doesn't have a busted motor or whatever, then they are quite easy to work on, as you've seen. If I can do it, anybody can do it, to take apart. The insides and all of this, I've already done that a couple of years ago, so they were already clean on the inside. I didn't have to do anything with this, thankfully. But being able to take the motor out, dust it, lubricate the bearings a little bit. These motors are not serviceable as far as I know. I tried once and gave up on it. I was like, nah, that's not going to work for me, so I left it. But there we go. It's looking very, very good. So I hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Full house demonstration of this will be coming up very soon, so stay tuned. Subscribe, comment, like, share on social media. And the next one I'm going to be working on is the 502, which is in avocado green, which will match perfectly with your 1970s bathroom. So the avocado green one is what we're going to be working on next. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.